Don't you hiss at me.
Do you want a kiss on the head? You want a kiss on the head? You want a kiss on the head? Are you done? You want another kiss on the head? Kiss on the head. Nope. Are you done with kisses on the head? You done? One more kiss? Oh, okay. I think you're finished. You're finished with head kissing? Alright, baby.
No bez znów?
Hi, my name is Jonathan. This is my cat Samson, aka Catstradamus. I knew he would be big, but I never knew he was going to be this big. This year he had a growth spurt.
Sammy is somewhat of an anomaly. He is by far the largest cat I've ever seen.
First of all, I just want to put this out there. My cat is not fat. People accuse him of being fat. And I just want to stop cat shaming and body shaming cats. He is not fat. He's not Kate Moss. He's not a supermodel. He is a big, healthy, sturdy cat.
Oh, calm down.
Hi.
Ah, here we go. Am I putting her on?
Yeah.
There you go. Where's the best?
Okay.
Get her right here.
Go fast. Good. I know, you're so angry.
Oh, you can hold it straight up too.
You're so angry. Wait. Good. Wait. No. Can I see your teeth?
Yeah, sure.
Show me again. Can I see again? Oh, yeah, thank you.
Oh, my just eat on this one.
Oh. Okay, I'm just checking. Oh, you pee-peed. Okay, I gotta hear you. Oh yeah, you have the clothes up there, that's right. I'm ready to jump. That one's up. Good. It's actually not as fast as I thought it would be. Let's do your rabies first. That's your required.
Oh my god. Audrey, you were not kidding.
What did you say?
You weren't kidding. Oh my god.
Good
Very
job.
upsetting.
That's it.
Thank you.
You're
Sorry.
done.
I apologize.
Let it go.